In this video, I will show you how to delete forwarding emails from Hostinger to a Gmail account. Once we log into Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. Next, we need to click the Manage button under the Domains section in which the forwarder is set up. Next, on this page, we need to enter the Manage Your Email section by clicking this button. Here, we need to click the Forwarders tab, which will bring us to the Forwarders page. Here on the right, you will see all the email forwarders that have been set up. Select the forwarder set up for the Gmail account and click the three-dotted More option. Next, select the Delete tab from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Delete button. The email forwarder to the Gmail account will be removed permanently. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.